There was a time when kids were playing on swings, couples holding hands, going to dinners, and then everything changed. The undead took over, they ruined everything. And that's when we had to live by the rule of paper. Pull, aim, point, repeat. And that's how we're gonna take back this world. Trying to get everything back to where it once was. You gotta stay safe, stay alive. If you're ever in danger, feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-4ZORD, Zombie Outbreak Response Team.
Come on, Devontae!
To see the teddy bear here to play.
No, you can hide from me forever! Forever! Ah! Ah!
Well, that's what we do. We fight. You tell me when I'm being an arrogant son of a bitch, and I tell you when you're being a pain in the ass. Which you are, 99% of the time. I'm not afraid to hurt your feelings. Besides, you got like a 2-second rebound rate, and you're back doing the next pain in the ass thing. So we're gonna have to work at this. We're gonna have to work at this every day, and I'm willing to do that because I want you. I want all of you, forever, you and me. Can you do something for me, please? Just picture your life for me. 30 years from now, 40 years from now. What's it look like? If it's with that guy, go. Go. I've lost you once. I'm pretty sure I could do it again if I thought it's what you really wanted. But don't you take the easy way out. And would you stop thinking about what everyone wants? Stop thinking about what I want, what he wants, what your parents want. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?